Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The Williams Indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 1.6% in the last session after rising as much as 2.5% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 2.2% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session after gaining as much as 1% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
European shares ended a touch lower as hawkish signals from the U.S. Federal Reserve raised concerns over early policy tightening, with mining stocks falling the most as commodity prices tumbled. Toronto-based Bitcoin mining firm Bitfarms expects to begin trading under BITF on the Nasdaq stock market on June 21st. The U.S. dollar is on fire, surging higher after the Federal Reserve signaled a more hawkish tone at its June policy meeting and appeared to spur a rethink of the currency's path in 2021.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's consumer inflation expectations will be released at 8:30 GMT, the UK's retail sales at 600 GMT, Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 300 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision will be released at 300 GMT, the US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 GMT, the Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.